Hello, what's your name?
My name is Riva Bernido.
How old are you?
I'm 37 years old.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Separated.
Okay, do you have kids?
Yes, I have one son, 13 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
4 years.
Do you have any work experience in other
Yes.
countries?
Yes.
Okay, where?
In Bahrain.
How many years there?
2 years and 5 months.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
1 year.
Where's your employer living in?
Taipo Market.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
800.
How many family member there?
4.
How many children?
Only one.
How old?
17 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What
So-
time you wake up in the
So I
morning?
wake up in the morning around 6:30. After I mop the floor. After that, I prepare the breakfast for my madam and sir. And after that, I cleaning the rooms, the bathroom, then washing the clothes. Then around 3 o'clock, I prepare for a dinner. And around 7 o'clock, I started to cook for our dinner. And 7 or 8 o'clock start for dinner.
Start
madam.
dinner.
Yes.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Okay, thank you so much.